Hey guys, Scotty with Miller Marine here. We got our good friends here with Sea Monkey Charters. He does backcountry and offshore. We got his offshore boat in right now. We repowered this boat, I believe it was last year, with brand new V8 Mercury, the 300s. Really good motors, good looking motors, torquey as can be. He's in for a 400-hour service and getting them tuned up, ready to go to the Bahamas with her for the summer. Did water pumps, oil, and all the fuel filters. So he's good to go for the next couple hundred hours. He'll be in another 100 hours to do another oil change after that. This boat's got a second station on it. We rigged that out as well. While it was in, we put a new balls out GPS mount up on the upper station. Pulled the old one out that we had on there. It wasn't secure enough. We're now a dealer for them. So we're providing those now, and they're really good mounts. They can do all kinds of different features, up, down, side to side, sideways, whatever you want it, we can do it. So. Hey guys, Scotty with Miller Marine here. I want to go in a little more detail on my Simrad that I have on my personal boat. I love the Simrads. I got one on my bay boat, and I also have one on my skiff. I was a big Garmin fan for a longest time until I got switched on these Simrads, mostly because of the Florida Marine tracks, and also I think the screen clarity is, I think for the price point, it's very nice. This one is a NSS Evo 3 12-inch. It's not the S version. It's the older model, which you could still get for about half the price now too of the S. But one thing I wanted to focus on was the Florida Marine tracks. How detailed it is. I've been in the Keys for over 10 years now, and I've never explored over to the backcountry before until I got this unit. And just the detail on it, you can see all the tracks. The black lines are my tracks, and the red lines are all the tracks that the Florida Marine Tracks guys have done over the past year of just people running out there doing it all. The yellow are banks to avoid. You can see, so here's upper cross bank. Here's the main channel coming in. That's my track on what I've run. It's so well detailed and easy to follow all these tracks. You could turn these tracks down, you could turn them up. I have it basically on the full thing. Here are some little markers to get into a channel here, go through a cut. It's so user friendly and everything. I love it. And then the Simrad itself, you have so many options. I have the 3-in-1 transducer on here, so I have my transitional transducer working. It's obviously not going to mark right now because we're not in the water, but then I got side scan sitting at docks. Works great if you're running around looking for fish at night or fishing those lights and everything. You can look at that. Down view gives you a 3D imaging of it. Really cool stuff. And I mean, this machine could do anything. You can put your instruments on it. You get to build your page on what you want. Right, I don't have it set up right now for my motor. That's my next step. So you could do anything. You got tides. It automatically gives you, we're in Tavernier Creek, so it gives me the tide for that. You know, it's a incoming tide right now. So great unit. Love Simrad. Love the Florida Marine tracks. Really easy to use. So just give you guys a little tutorial of it. Hey guys, Scotty with Miller Marine here. We got this 22 Pathfinder in that we rewired a while back, and then also we repowered it to, it's in for a new rub rail and also 100-hour service on it. We're putting this new mate rub rail on it. It's a really cool concept. It's got a track that goes on, and then this is actually acts like the insert. So if you damage it, it's really easy to fix. You just cut what damage part you have on, and then you can just lay a new insert in. Really nice. It's actually, we're gonna put, this rail is gonna go on our project boat, the Sweet 16 Donzi that we're getting ready to get ramped back up on. So stay tuned for this one. It'll be a nice project to see.
Water.
Water, corrosion. Spray the whole motor down with it.
And does it detect it for corona?
What?
Oh my god.
Does it detect it for coronavirus?
No.
Coronavirus? Motors don't catch coronavirus.